Hello. My name is Joseph Graham. You guys were referred over to me by one of my partners. His name is Justin Owens. I asked for a pretty recommendable foundation repair company, and he referred me over to you. Now, a little bit about me is my name is Joseph Graham again. I'm based out of Fort Worth, okay? And we help foundation repair companies and waterproofing concrete companies all across the U.S. Now, real quick, when someone is searching, actively looking for any service that you offer, they're either going to ask someone they know, hey, do you know anyone that can help fix my foundation? Or they're going to jump on the internet, right? And when they jump on the internet, what we found was it's not the ads and it's not these listings, but it's these map listings right here. It's the businesses located in these map listings that get 75% of the phone calls, right? 75%. So when someone is actively looking for foundation repair, they're going to type in foundation repair or, whatever the service is, and they're going to call one of these top three businesses in these map listings, right? Some people know that. That's why they're paying for ads to be in here. And when that happens, we'll show you. So what we did was we took this GMB, which is your most valuable asset on the internet, and we ran it through our heat map tool. And what this heat map tool does is it shows everywhere you are and are not ranking in those top three map listing spots. So where you see a green and these green circles, these 1, 2, and 3s, when someone is like over here by New Sweden, right, and they're searching for foundation repair, you're gonna appear number 1, right? So you'll appear number 1. But other than that, in other areas, more towards the city, you're not in the top 3 spots. So again, it's those top 3 positions that get the first phone call. So I can only assume that most of your organic searches are happening on this northwest part of Austin, right? And we can even go and look at other companies and how other companies are doing in Austin. So what company is this? Done Right is pretty much dominating Austin and the west side of it, and Armadillo is dominating the southwest part or the southeast part of Austin. Okay, so that means essentially you're missing out on a lot of phone calls just based off of online search, right? So if someone's in the heart of Austin and they do that search, they're going to see Done Right, they're going to see Syntex, and they're going to see Oslon first. So these top guys are going to get the first call. Does any of this make sense? I hope it does, right? Just know that it is possible to dominate all of this whole area right here. I'm going to send you a copy of this heat map. What I did was I centered it, supposedly your GMB, your map listing, this thing right here, is centered right here, based right here in this area, right? But you're most relevant, you're getting a lot of people you're more relevant in these areas over here. So I can only assume that this is where you're getting most of your phone calls, right? So if you have any questions at all about what it is that I'm talking about, feel free to. This is our site, Foundation Marketing Pro, and we help people or companies that have been with Home Advisor, Angie's List, and Thumbtack, right? None of them work, but what we're talking about is the truth. You got to be in these top 3 map listings. This is why we created this heat map, to see where we're even ranking in our own agency. So on a scale of 1 to 20, if you're not in the top 3, you're not being shown, and you're missing out on phone calls, okay, and a lot of sales. So with that said, I'm gonna send a copy of this heat map to you, and we'll take it from there. Thank you for watching.